Good evening, everybody. This is Anna, and it's always a pleasure to have you here for our weekly appointment. Now, given your last interesting questions on banking and fintech, the unicorn of the week comes from this sector indeed, with the German Fintech Neo-Bank N26. N26 is currently worth a minimum of 6.5 USD billion, with a higher conservative growth rate of 6% for this sector, till a maximum of 9.3 USD billion with a riskier growth rate of 8%. Now, our suggestion is to not miss this opportunity where N26 is still private, considering a highly conservative fair market value of 6.5 billion and an investment of your portfolio up to a maximum of 5%, and this is due to the lack of available data. So, as usual, the outcome from a top-down DCF methodology, since more accurate and precise. N26 belongs to the market of the digital banking platform, which is expected to grow to 13 USD billion for the 2026. Here, three of the banks with the best digital mobile banking service technology. And in 10 years, N26 is expected to converge to the lowest one, so to Wells Fargo's pre-tax operating margin and market share. So, please note that we speak about a loss-making profit startup from its very start, from its very beginning. So, free cash flows are determined considering still negative operating margin for the current year, for this year, corporate income taxes for banking and fintech equal of 25%, but most importantly, free cash flow will always be determined considering an increasing level of reinvestment, able to sustain the business model in terms of wide geographical growth expansion and constant outstanding new product and service offering. The founder mission is indeed to make this startup N26 a global market. Now, since the company has been financed entirely by equity, the value of debt equals 0, which means that the weighted average cost of capital matches the cost of equity, being equal to 12.79%. So, capital asset pricing model was used to compute cost of equity, considering for the market return the last 10 years historical return for S&P 500, while for the risk-free return the 10 years USD Treasury bonds. And then the beta for fintech companies would then be the average of the unleveraged beta of sectors affected by a money institution, and this is due to the service that they actually provide. So, as a result, the terminal value with growth rate of 6% lead to a market value of N26 of 6.5 USD billion, and please note that this is highly conservative estimation, while an actual real base estimation could actually be the one with the growth rate estimated to be as 8%. Thank you a lot for your attention and see you next week.